Hi, I'm Tom Grindy for the Telco Depot channel. We're so glad you're back. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a new concept.
Many telephone users only need to know how to answer and place phone calls, but Allworx has some really great features that make communicating much easier. The first thing to observe is what happens when the phone rings with an incoming call. The LCD screen gives you a lot of information before you answer the call. If provided, the phone display shows the name and number of the caller, and if enabled, you will also see the number that they dialed to reach you. One of the unique attributes of the Allworx phone is referred to as wing ring. When your phone rings, the wing ring also flashes. If you are located in an open area where a lot of different phones ring, you can quickly look at your phone from any angle to see if it is your phone that is ringing. If the ringing volume is too loud or not loud enough, simply adjust it by adjusting the volume control while it is either idle or ringing. You can answer a call by either lifting the handset, or if you want to answer on the headset or speakerphone, select the line button that is flashing. A word of caution is needed here. If your phone is programmed to automatically answer an incoming call when you lift the handset, mistakenly pressing the call appearance button once you have already answered the call will hang up the call you just answered. By the way, you don't have to lift the handset to make a call. Just start dialing any internal extension directly from the keypad, or dial 9 followed by the phone number, or select a line and then dial. If the number you dialed is busy, you can hang up and then use the redial button to call the number again. If someone calls you directly and you are not able to answer the call, you can see a log of every missed call by selecting the Missed Call button. When you have multiple missed calls, simply scroll through the list and then select the exact number you wish to call, in any order you choose. The system maintains a directory of every user in the system. If you have connected multiple Allworx systems together, you will see all the users from all the systems and can dial any user at will. With your new Allworx phone, conference calling is built in, and it is incredibly simple. Once you are on a call, push the conference button. When you select another line appearance, the first call is automatically placed on hold. Dial the other party, wait until they answer, and then select the conference button again. Anyone added to a conference will drop if they hang up, and if you hang up, the conference call will end. On a 4-button phone, you can follow the same process to add a 4th party. Press Conference again, select another line, dial the number, and wait for them to answer. Then press Conference. You will know the conference is established because the buttons change from a red and green flashing back to each having a solid color. Remember, the second call has to be established before you can add it to the conference, so make sure someone answers or you hear the company's main greeting. Even with the conference call established, you can continue to dial if necessary. Park is a feature used to place calls on a system-wide hold. When you are on a call, all you need to do is select the Park button. The system will automatically place the call in one of 10 park orbits. The display shows the unique parking orbit, so now all you do is instruct the party how to pick up the call by notifying them of the correct park orbit. On the display, the Allworx system shows that the call is in park orbit 701. The person needing to answer the parked call simply picks up any phone and dials 701 to retrieve the call. It's that easy. This feature, in combination with paging through the phones or overhead when available, is very efficient and extremely powerful. Your Allworx system has 10 unique paging zones. If you use paging, your administrator has already set this up. Please ask him or her for the zone assignments. These are announce-only page zones. So remember, no one can talk back to you when you page through multiple phones. Just dial the correct zone and make the page. In some offices, customers may have optional external paging systems. These will have unique paging zones, and some may even have the ability to talk back to the person initiating the page. Because each one is set up differently, if you have an external paging system, ask your administrator how it is accessed. After you have answered or initiated a call and wish to transfer it somewhere else, all you have to do is select the transfer button, dial the party, and hang up. If you know the person you are transferring the call to is not at their desk, you can transfer directly to their voicemail. Select the transfer option and then dial 3, followed by their extension number, and off the call goes. Just as a note, this feature may be different if the system's default settings have changed. In some offices, you will show up for work and either take a phone from a common area, plug it into any available workstation, or the phone will already be installed and you will need to log in so people know how to reach you. Either way, once the phone is plugged in, you need to tell the system that phone belongs to you for the day. If you look at the buttons on the phone, you will see a button labeled Login. Push the button and a login screen will prompt you to enter your extension. Select OK and then you will be prompted for your password. Select OK. The phone restarts and your name will appear on the display. If programmed, the display will also show the phone number that people you call will see on their phones. That's it. Now when someone calls you, your phone will ring just like it's your regular phone. When you are done using the phone, press the same login button and confirm that you want to log out by selecting OK. And by the way, if you forget to log out or if you log into another phone, the Allworx system will automatically log you out from your original phone. This concludes the Call Basics portion of our training. Be sure to check out the other Allworx videos for more information on your new phone.
Thanks for spending a few minutes with us on the Telco Depot channel. Be sure to come back often to view our constantly growing educational video collection. Because at Telco Depot, you can do it, we can help.